unboxing video as requested by K-Turn for the apartment appropriate pressure washer for the car. Let's see what we got here. Made sure when I ordered it that it was a battery powered pressure washer instead of an electric and or gas one, because you really don't have that kind of luxury when you're at an apartment. There's also a water tank on this one, conveniently, so I don't have to go running around the apartment complex looking for a water hose either. It's going to be awesome. Let's see what we got here. You know, that is a lot darker than I thought it was. So the first thing I see here is the lid, which is a dark green. I thought it was going to be a light green. Got the pressure washer hose, which is zip tied, so I'll have to get my crimping tools for that. Take those off. The hose. A little handgun for it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's the bucket. Is it one piece? Oh, okay, it's the attachment for the hose and the gun. Brass attachment on it too, which is good. There we go. Bucket. Brass fitting on the bottom and on the inside. Let me get this box out the way a little bit. Just the manual. Oh, I didn't know it came with this. Son of a bitch. Came with a little foam can. I'm probably never going to use that little thing. That thing is dinky. Got the charging station. And the battery. Your different pressure washer water heads. And the handle for the gun to the bucket. I might not put this on the table. This is the heavy part. This is the actual unit that pumps it. Screw it. I bought it. Breaks, breaks. If it breaks, it breaks. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? What else we got in here? Anything? Does it look like it? Looks like all this. Make sure I check all that because I almost threw out some stuff the other day. Okay, so take this off. This has got brass fittings on it too, entirely. This one piece. Whoa. What is that to? That's just the hose, okay. So the hose actual attachment is down here that you screw onto. So then you take your bucket. I like the little handle too, so if I don't have the bucket on, I can take this down the stairs without having to have the whole thing connected and just cumbersome. Take that. This latches on both sides. There you go. Battery I know is supposed to last 3 hours, and I'm saying if you take longer than 3 hours to wash a car, well, you've got problems. Let's just put the hose in here, because I'm not doing this tonight. We're supposed to get storms tonight, so I'm not going to do it tonight. It's not just a rubber piece at the top here. It looks like the lid actually goes down, and then they've wrapped it in rubber so to give you that watertight feel. There is a little hole on the top too, so it's not going to be full compression. It will have some give. So this is the handle to drag it around outside. This is the handle to carry it. were talking about, these bigger wheels do make it a little bit easier to maneuver. Here is the little gun holder. Push that right there. That is in there. Give you a little tool to make sure that your nozzle is clear on these, so you can push those through. It's a 15 degree, a 0 degree, 25 degree, and a 40 degree. That is locked. Quick release. Awesome. Make sure we put that on the end of the hose later. And this just goes right here. I don't know how far down this should go though. Because of course, like a typical dude, I did not look at the instructions whatsoever. I wonder if this came with a little bit of charge on it. Damn, big battery. Come on, go in. It's got little tracks that you gotta match up. There it goes. There it goes. That's it. K-Turn, you're not getting a review of it tonight, man. You're gonna have to wait until I actually get the car out tomorrow. Other than that, that'll be the end of this.